Mettler-Toledo is a name synonymous with innovation. Innovation plays a key role in defining who we are. Mettler-Toledo started from two historic companies, the Toledo Scale Company and Mettler Instruments AG. Mettler Instruments AG was founded in 1945 by Dr. Erhard Mettler, a Swiss engineer. He laid the foundation for the successful laboratory balances business and invented the single pan balance. The Toledo Scale Company, founded in 1901, was the largest US manufacturer of industrial and retail scales. In 1989, Mettler and Toledo Scale Corporation merged to form what we now know as Mettler-Toledo. Today, Mettler-Toledo is a global manufacturer and marketer of precision instruments for use in laboratory, industrial, and food retailing applications. The company holds strong worldwide leadership positions. A significant majority of our sales are in segments in which we are the global leader. Our products are sold in more than 140 countries and we have a direct presence in 40 countries. We are listed on the New York Stock Exchange as MTD. Our journey in India has been very successful and fulfilling as well. We started as a small company in 1998. As we grew, we worked closely with our customers from diverse segments to help them achieve their productivity, efficiency, and compliance goals. Today, over 300 employees in sales, marketing, and service roles work in our head office in Mumbai and at 10 other locations across India. In addition, we have a factory in Mumbai and 3 entities which are involved in a wide range of activities such as global technical support and software development. There are many factors that differentiate us, but let me name a few. Firstly, through innovation. Mettler-Toledo helps solve the most important problems our customers face in their day-to-day work. We provide a wide variety of solutions across our customers' value chain. A second key factor is our global presence. We sell in over 140 countries. This means that our customers can experience harmonized products, workflows, and services in their production facilities and laboratories around the world. And very importantly, our people make it all happen. Our people are a key force behind everything we do. We have one of the largest global sales and service organizations among precision instrument companies. As I mentioned, innovation is the key to our success. We achieve this with hands-on, passionate professionals who work as a team to anticipate and fulfill our customers' needs. We boast a culture where our teams can demonstrate their entrepreneurial spirit and take pride in contributing to one team within our organization. We stay focused on the high value-added market segments by providing innovative instruments to customers in pharmaceuticals, food, chemicals, research laboratories, and power sectors, just to name a few. We think about our customers, their workflows and challenges when they face in their jobs. We then find innovative solutions to help measure accurately and precisely, ensure they achieve their productivity goals, or help them comply with the most stringent regulations. We achieve this by focusing on the overall customer experience, including but not limited to high-quality pre- and post-sales interactions, in addition to delivering high-quality advanced products and solutions.